Hi, Chubby. You make this your house a canal. You look like princess. Even your house is canal. I have water for you. You want to drink delicious water? I have water to drink, but I will share it to you another. Sure. Later. Come back. The water in the fountain is not good for you. That is not clean. You need to drink all of that. Okay? You said there. Okay, sweet dream sleep. You sleep in the dried leaves. Bye-bye. Antok na antok ka. Anong ginagawa mo sa gabi? Naghunting ka ng kalapate. Maganda yung iyong tulugan. Hindi dyan malamig. Sleep well. At naandito yung tubig ha. Drink water a lot. Maybe in the night you catch the dog. You eat the dog. Sleep well. Antok na antok. Cute niya tingnan dito. Antok na antok.